Okay. So now I'm gonna do little grass here. The grass will be pink, but you can choose any color. I just feel it was too boring to do the grass green, so do pink grass. It's like, I mean, it's like a grass. It's kind of like the idea of it. It's like a texture, super cool and cute. So what I'm doing here, I'm just filling these little spots, you know, these little shapes. So you can do that, or you can do just fill the whole thing, or do knots. Like, you can do other thing too. So it's just an idea. So I'm just filling this like that. It's like little lines. You just go like that, and again I put the thread double, so it's kind of like easier and faster too. So if you want to do it like that. I wish my hands were faster, but I can't, and the video will be faster. At some point, maybe I can do it in time lapse, but I don't know if you can see that right and learn. So for now, we're just doing this slow. So I'm just filling all the thing here until I have all that cover.
Hey Kathy, do you know who Bob Ross is?
Yeah, I like him.
This feels like Bob Ross.
Like happy little grass here, eh? Happy pink grass here.
Exactly.
I like him. He's so happy and positive making art, eh? Okay. So I'm gonna keep going with that, but you can keep going, and that's done.